Hey Wales, welcome to part 5 of this 8-part series. Uh, we just talked about 3-5 tops, and now we're going to be talking about 3-5 bottoms, guys. 3-5 bottoms. So the whole point of the bottoms, the 3-5 bottoms, is to identify, right, where is the start of this uptrend, right? Essentially, we want to buy here, right? We want to buy there. So in order to understand that, okay, we're going to do my 3-5 technique, my 3-5 strategy. Okay, so again, if we back up, typically market structure when it corrects is an A-B structure, three-wave structure downwards, followed by an upwards trend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, up and up and up. Okay, and notice something here, guys. You have a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. All right, majority of the people, all the traders, right, they buy within sort of the break here, right? Traders tend to buy here. Okay, that's why you miss out on all these gains. For me, I don't like that, right? As someone that's been trading for over a year now and being profitable, I like to catch these bottoms at the very bottom and ride the entire wave. It just makes life a lot easier without having to wait for so long for confirmation, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so how do we identify where this bottom is? All right. So in order to do that, we're going to use the same strategy. Price is going to go down. Okay, price is going to go down like this, but the RSI indicator is going to go up, guys. RSI indicator is going up. It's literally the opposite of the 3-5 tops. We're going to do that for the 3-5 bottoms. All right, so just to give you an idea, all right, I'm going to do this analysis on Tesla for you to see. Take a look. You notice that we have a big flush down here. All right, we have a big flush down here. That typically tells me that that is a wave 3. Remember, guys. Okay, remember, within this last leg of the C wave, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the C wave. Same thing on the upwards trend. Wave 3 is the largest on the top, right? Same thing on the bottom. Wave 3 is the most impulsive structure here. Okay, so let's label this. So again, we have a wave A, B, potentially C. We know that this was the biggest flush at the bottom. So we know that this was probably a 1, 2. This is all of a 3. Coming up for a 4. Coming down for a 5. Right? Coming down for a 5. Okay, so that is where we should potentially long. One more bottom. Okay. Now, there's a few things to do, right? One is, again, you can take the height of wave 1, right, and project it out to wave 4. Right, you can see that maybe this area of 358 might be the area to buy Tesla, right? Or what you can do is also look left, guys. You want to look left and see where all the supports are, right? You have this support here. All these tops here are support, right? It's sort of like a floor. So this area looks good to me, guys. Wave 4 coming up, wave 5 coming down. And what RSI is going to do is this, right? It's going to go up down here. It's going to make a like this, right? It's going to make like this, and it's going to push up. Again, price is going lower. Price is going lower, but RSI is starting to go higher. That is bullish divergence. Bullish divergence, guys. All right? It's literally the same as the 3-5 tops, just on the opposite end. Just on the opposite end. All right? And you'll see this structure every single time throughout the market, guys. Every single time. Okay? So in order to identify the bottom, remember, guys, this is the structure you need to know. We have an A, B, C coming down. All right? For the A, B, C, we take the extensions, the height of A, project it out to the B. So C can land anywhere between 1, 1.236, 382, or 618, right? But typically it likes to do here on the 1-to-1. That's where you typically see a bounce, okay? Where you typically see a bounce. What happens next is that after the bounce, Gonna go up for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up, right? 3, 4, 5. That's the bottom of a market structure, guys, that you'll always see. Now, within a wave, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. B wave, 3 waves up. Well, A, B, C. Again, 5th wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And within that 3 to 5 here, price going down, RSI going up. All right. So this is the structure you want to take a look at here every single time. So if you see that it's at the 1-to-1, right? The 1-to-1 extension, the height of A is the same as height of C. Again, you see this is the same height. B to C is the same height, right? It's the same height. Do that one more time. Yeah, so if it's the same height, you have the 1-to-1 structure, you have 5 waves coming down, you have bullish divergence, right? Price going down, RSI going up. If you look left, if you see supporting cast here, if you all see the supporting sort of floor, guys, that is a very confident long that you should take every single time. That is a very confident long, right? So you can actually long this area here with confidence. It goes up, and if it holds here on the 618 level, right, to the 786, you are golden. You're ready for wave 3. You just made a massive killing, guys, on your trade. Okay, that's how market structures happen. So for this one, right, same thing. This is wave 3. I don't see a wave 5 yet, right? Typically there's one more push down. So wave 4 is coming up, wave 5 is coming down for Tesla. Okay, so we'll see A, B, C coming down. Next should go like this for Tesla, up, down, and then et cetera, et cetera. Okay, that's the market structure. Every single time, guys, you'll see this everywhere, whether it's, again, the 1-hour chart, the 4-minute chart, 3-minute, 2-minute, 1, you'll see this everywhere, daily chart. Okay, it's going to be the same thing over and over again. Okay, now, again, just like on tops here, right, for wave 5s, just like for wave 5s, right, we see a rising wedge pattern, right, sort of like this, a rising wedge. Right? This is the top of wave 5, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it breaks down, right? That's the top of wave 5, just like at the bottom of an ABC, A, B, C, like at the bottom of a C wave, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? At that 5th wave, this 5th wave, guys, you'll see a rising wedge. So let me show you. I'm going to come down like this, and then it's going to start forming sort of like this, and it's going to go up like that. Okay, let me draw that a little bit better, guys. Right, so you get sort of a rising wedge, which is down here, this, something like that. Okay, so you get my drawing skills aren't that good, guys, so bear with me. Let me make this a little bit cleaner. Something like this, guys. All right, something like this. So you get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and then a push towards the upside. All right, you'll see this pattern all day, every single day, the signal bottom. Okay, so let's go over it one more time, right? So if you have 5 waves for the C wave, if you have 1-to-1 extension, A is equal height to C. If you have support, the floor, right? Floor, look left. Look left. If you have a descending wedge, this is what you call a descending wedge, right? Descending wedge pattern. And if you have Oh yeah, divergence, right? Bullish divergence, right? RSI goes up, price goes down. If you have all of these guys, I mean that is a beautiful trade. That is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade to go into. Okay, absolutely beautiful trade. And finally, what I really want you guys to also see is that, look at this guy. So you have potentially a wave 1, 2. If you miss buying into here at the start of wave 1, you can also take a look at wave 2, because wave 2 will have an ABC as well here. So you're going to look for the same thing, guys. You're going to look for the same height. A to C is the same height. You're going to look for now the Fibonacci extension level, right? You're going to look for here 618786. If you start seeing a wedge pattern here on the C wave at the end here, getting close to the 618, if you see bullish divergence on the RSI and the price, guys, this is a beautiful. You're going to win this trade every single time. You're going to see huge upside in here. Okay, absolutely beautiful trade. All right. All right, guys, that is it for this part. I will see you guys on the next one, which will be about time frames. So let's go over time frames next. Talk to you guys soon.